Here we have an example of the pre-chill test, which was developed by Dr. Bob Elliott a number of years ago, and this has become the industry standard in Canada for canola. And the test is basically a version of a pre-chill, which is often administered when dormancy is found in seed. And here we have the good on the left and the poor on the right. And admittedly, it takes a very good eye to be able to tell the difference between these two. And I will, in a minute, tell you what it is that we're actually looking for. But before I proceed, this particular test has been tested for 5 days at 6 degrees Celsius and 7 days at 15 to 25 degrees Celsius with the same light regime of 8 hours light and 16 hours dark as we have for the germination test. And so the total period on this would be 12 days. Now I'm just going to push this over so that we can bring this into line and focus a little clearer and bring it in. Now the good test on this indicates that the quality of this seed is actually very, very good. And what we're looking for is quite a bit of uniformity and something that we call synchronous germination. When we talk about synchronous germination, think of the synchronized swimmers, where the seed is actually germinating all at the same time. And that's essentially what the seed houses here with canola strive to achieve with their breeding and their genetics. The quality of the seed is very important, and the ability of the seed to develop quickly and rapidly under a number of different field conditions is very, very important. So doing that again, let's have a look. I want to demonstrate that all of these seeds have developed very, very quickly and are all within a very short length of each other. So the structures here are very, very similar. And what we're looking for, remembering that this is under some form of stress at 6 degrees, which is the temperature that most growers would seed at, because they're striving to optimize on yield potential and going in early for early spring conditions, is that all of these develop very, very quickly and very uniformly. And under stress, that's exactly what this has managed to do. So this indicates that not only would the germination be good, but also the vigor. And you can see here that all the seedlings have been able to develop, and all of them are normal. So the actual vigor on this is expressed as a percentage of the number of seedlings that can grow, and in this case would be well over 90%. So at 6 degrees Celsius, that's very, very good, and it's very, very marketable, and it's a very good quality lot.